What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I have here for you guys, I'm going to do the unboxing of some GoPro accessory that I bought on Amazon. So if you guys into that stuff, make sure to like this video and stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to open the package right now to see what's inside. These are all accessories inside right here, so let me just put them out. It's a lot of accessories. Look, a sponge inside right there. And this is on Amazon. I put a link in the description that you guys can look at to purchase all of these. So guys, so with this, it's come with a case. So this is basically, I'm gonna talk about the case first, which is the carrying case right here. And this is basically IP44 that is advertised on Amazon. So it basically have some form of waterproof. And inside, you got some little slot right here that you can put all your accessories in. There's a little case right here that you can put some of these accessories. So let's now look at what we have right here. So let me put these to the side. So the first thing I want to look at, guys, is this selfie stick right here. So this basically can extend out for the GoPro, so you can actually screw your GoPro on this right here, which is basically a large selfie stick. Now for the purpose of this video, I have my GoPro right here. So guys, yeah, this is selfie stick. Also guys, what we have here is a little tripod that you can actually screw your GoPro on. So this can basically extend out. So you have to basically balance it first. That's my tripod right there, guys. Put that to the side. And this right here, I have a little strap. I'm not sure how this basically uses it. Right here, guys, we have a clamp. Pull this out. This is basically a clamp, which is very strong. So this probably can put clamp on your back strap or anything like that you can clamp on. And also guys, what we have here is a holder for your windscreen. So this basically plays on your windscreen, and this basically can adjust from side to side, and right here can adjust up and down right there. So this, guys, is basically for your windscreen. And right here we have another, I'm not sure what this is as yet, so I put that to the side for now. Right in here we have some, it seems like some holder. This is basically a clamp that can push into one of these. So this basically can slide. No, not that one. I'm not sure if that can slide in as yet, so let me put this side. And this is basically some screw that can tighten these right here. Anyway, let's move on to find something else more interesting. Now this right here look like a hand strap that can strap on your hand. So let me try this quickly. Draw this tight. Boom, and that's it, guys. And I can strap my GoPro on it whichever way that I want it to. Boom, guys, right there. And I can also strap it this way. And what I can also do is to get my tighten screw right here and to actually tighten this into place right here. And boom, guys, there you have it, my GoPro is strapped on my arm right there. Alright, let's moving on to some more accessories. So guys, this is basically like a little extender. Like probably you can put this on your forehead or things like that to extend the GoPro out. Probably. And also in here we add right here a little call this now, little grip that can tighten your GoPro. So this basically fit right in here. So this is like a little tightener that can tighten your GoPro to actually keep it into place more tighter than your normal arm. And here we have a GoPro mount for the tripod. So as I showed you guys the tripod earlier, this is the mount right here that you can screw on. And you can mount your GoPro on this, guys. Boom, it's going right there, and the GoPro can mount on this tripod right here. See guys, you guys get the idea, right? And these are some other screw tighteners that can tighten your GoPro. So I'm seeing 3 of them so far in this box. This basically, I'm not sure what this is. This basically probably for some protection for your GoPro. Yeah. So now my GoPro lens is now protected. Yes guys, so that's for that. Now I don't have to worry about scratching my GoPro lens. I just tucked it on right here and it's well protected. Yeah, I love this. Right, so what else do I have in the bag right here? So right here we have, this is basically some bicycle grip. So this is for your bicycle angle that you can adjust onto your angle right here, and boom, tack your GoPro on here and you're good to go. So we also have some other accessories. These are basically probably some replacement for your angle. I'm not sure what these are for as yet. I'll put them to the side. And next thing guys that we have right in here, let me pull this out, and we have a chest strap in here, which is basically good. So yes guys, we have a chest strap in here. Let's pull this out. So this basically tuck onto your chest. We already have a mount right in here that we can slide out. Boom guys. So these are basically can slide in here and tuck your GoPro on here and strap it on your chest. Alright, put that to the side. So guys, we have a lot of accessories in here, and this is basically for $18 on Amazon. So I put a link in the description that you guys can look at and purchase. So these are some, I'm not sure what these are for, and these also are the mounts that you can slide most of those clippings on. So let me try this. So basically, if this can slide in here, nope. So guys, we have a lot of them here. I'm not sure what these are for. So guys, if you have any idea what these are for, let me know in the comment section. It will be really helpful. These are some more. I'm not sure what these are for also. So there are 5 of them. So there are 4 of them in this right here. I'm not sure which fittings these basically on. As I tried earlier, this cannot stuck on this, so I'm not sure what these are for. Alright, so I'm moving on to more accessories. So this one is basically for your head strap. So this one is basically for your head. So you can tack your GoPro on it again, screw it on, boom, you're good to go. Right? So what else we have right over here? So over here we have some more clippings for your GoPro. Now this one is basically similar to this, so let me try this one right on here. Yes guys, this one is for this, for the car mount. So basically you can clip on right here and you're good to go. So there are some more of them in here. So this one more, same thing. This one basically like the same thing, but this one come out a bit. So this basically can be used on your chest also. And we have more tightening tools in here. So what else we have over here, guys? This is basically, I'm not sure what this is. But this is something that we get inside here. And a little string. I'm not sure what's the use of this, but I'm pretty sure that is very useful. And last but not least, guys, we have right here the Gopro Floater handle. This is for water, so if you're doing any diving and things like that, you can actually mount your GoPro on here, which is very useful for when you're doing some underwater videos, so that your GoPro won't get lost, especially when you're swimming. So I'm gonna mount my GoPro on this right now, and boom, guys, yes, my GoPro is ready to use in water and things like that. So guys, this is it. This is all the accessories that is in this package. So if you guys want to purchase one of these, I put a link in my description that you guys can look at and purchase. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If this video do, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. As always, peace out.